Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I want to do a Mulan inspired look. So I just watched Mulan this weekend because it's streaming on Disney. It was streaming before, but before they were charging you. So now it's streaming for free if you haven't checked it out. And in the movie, there was this really pretty phoenix. It was like yellow or gold, purple, and red. It was really pretty. So you're going to see the haul before you see this, but in the haul, I got the Paint Pro palette, and this is from Glamlite. I got a few other things which you'll see in the haul and you'll see coming up. I also have an order that still hasn't come through for them, so you'll get to see all of that hopefully next week or within the next 2 weeks. But this is the palette. And they have another palette as well. So I'm looking at, because I think it was like I think I'm gonna go for like this coral red here, this crimson red, and then I want to get into like this gold. I don't know, we're gonna be sticking like right in here because it was like such a beautiful bird, and I want to try to see if I can do that on my lid. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, in my crease, I'm going to take the yellow ochre. So that is this yellow here. And this is my first time trying out Glamlite, so I don't know what the pigment is like. That's the yellow ochre, and I'm just going to pack it into my crease. Just like that, and then we're going to take the orange, which is called Tangerine. It's right next to yellow ochre. And I already know I'm gonna wing this shadow out, so I'm just taking it out. And I put that on top of my crease at the end. So the yellow's at the beginning, and I'm just tapping it at the end. Like that. All right, okay, we're gonna take a smaller brush, and we're gonna go into trying to like think. I feel like it was like a mix of probably these colors. So we're going to just kind of toss both of those in. I have it in my mind what it looked like. Oh, this is really pretty and pigmented. So that was a coral red, which looks like a hot pink. And now I'm blending that into the yellow and orange. I took a little bit of the magenta to blend in as well. And I just took magenta and I'm tapping it on top to bring some of that color back. Okay. Now we're gonna do my favorite thing, which is cutting the crease. So that I can put that gold on top. Okay, I'm gonna cut my crease and be back. so I've cut my crease all the way out, and I darkened up the line there with the magenta and the coral red mixed, so that would pop more. Now I'm going to take the yellow ochre. So let me just show you again. So I'm taking the yellow ochre right now, but this is what I did in my crease, the coral red and the magenta mixed. And now let's take this, very pigmented on this brush. So I'm just gonna take this in the center, or at the beginning. Brush. Okay, so the cadmium yellow here, I want to put that, but when I move the palette, it looks like it has some like green reflex in it. So let me just swatch that. So that's what that's looking like. It's like a green gold. I'm just gonna throw that on here and see. But let's spray it first. Now I'm going to take, because I think I'm going to take the crimson red, because the Phoenix did have some red with the magenta. It's like, just, you have to watch the movie and you'll see. You don't ever get like a really good shot of the Phoenix, but this crimson red is kind of looking, oh, there we go. It was like, it was looking a little pink at first. Yeah, but watch the movie. You'll see the Phoenix kind of in the background a couple times, but never like a close-up. It doesn't ever stop flying. She sees it, but not up close, like it doesn't stop. I think in the cartoon, I never really watched, but I think in the cartoon, like, she talked to whatever her little helper person thing was. I don't know, maybe I need to go watch the cartoon, but I think it was a dragon in the cartoon, like a little dragon. Okay, and now I'm using this dual-ended brush. This is from Luxie. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna use this other end because I'm going to add in the purple. So I'm gonna start with I think I'm gonna go with Orchid and then Dark Violet. If that's still not dark enough, I'm gonna have to add in this indigo, but I'm gonna try to keep it here because I think that's more the purple that I've seen. So we're just gonna add that. Ooh, that's pretty. I've been following Glamlite's and I've been wanting some of their palettes, so I'm excited to show you which palettes I picked up in the haul for Black Friday. And then of course they had their holiday foodie box and I got that, and I decided to add another bundle, so I have more coming and I'll show you that when I get it. But their packaging is like so pretty and well thought out, just how they do it, that I feel like I just want to put it on display and not even have it sitting in a drawer. So I'm trying to figure out how to display them. In the meantime, okay, so I'm just making sure that the purple's blending into that red. And the red, of course, is called Crimson Red. So I'm just making sure that it blends in. And the red and the gold are blending in just fine, but I do want to just kind of hop back. Okay. I'm just taking a little bit more of the gold and blending that towards the red a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. Okay, like that. Really, really pretty. I'm liking it so far. And now I need to do eyeliner. And this weekend I also cleaned out my drawers because I'm trying to make space and get organized still. And then thinking of doing a tour of my collection. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna just do my eyeliner and then come back because I have a feeling this is gonna take me a very long time to get exactly perfect. So I'll be back. Okay, so I did my eyeliner, I did the mascara. For the mascara, I used the Essence Get Big Lashes. I just bought that recently from Ulta. And then in my waterline, I mixed these two ColourPop cream gel liners. So this is the color Puppy, and then this is the color Boots. So I just mixed them both in my waterline. And then for my under eye shadow, what I did was I put crimson all along the bottom edge here, and then I blended that out from the corner with indigo, just from here to here, just like that. And now I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do with my lips. Do I want to be bold? I just also got from Ulta some lip glosses and some liquid lipsticks. So let me bring out the one I'm thinking of using. Yeah, so this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon liquid lip gloss, and this is in the color Scorpio. So I think I'm gonna go with that. I'm only going out to the store, and since we wear a mask, most of my face will be covered up. It'll just be the eyes showing. I was gonna use this, but it's all out. So let me find a lip liner. Let's use this Prestige lip liner in the color Auburn. Let's try this color. Okay. I feel like I'm doing a bit much today, but no one's gonna really see. Okay, and I just realized I forgot to put blush on. Since I did my face already, I wanted to make the video just about the eyes. I didn't put blush on, so I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Peach Truffle Blush. And this is what that looks like. So I like to mix like this. So I like go like this and just because I love like peachy pinks. Okay, I don't want to do too much with the blush because my eyes, I just threw my palette back in the blush drawer after I neatly organized it, so I had to fix that. Okay, pat that down. All right, and now this hair is from the Amazon haul. This is that, what was it, the loose wave one from the Amazon haul. It's okay. It did today, so I put it on yesterday. I brushed it out this morning and it did shed a lot. Look, so I don't know, I'm still gonna wear it, but I don't like it as much, but it's not bad, especially for $40. So probably gonna throw a beanie on over it and then just throw a sweater on and go to the store. The hair is still really soft. It's actually softer than that wig types wig that I just had on last week. So it's much softer than that, but the shedding is much worse. It's all combed out now and it feels better and I'm able to run my fingers through it. But yeah, this morning when I brushed it out, it was like really tangled. So especially at the ends, that's it. Not at the top, but just the ends were all tangled. So this is the look that I came up with this palette from Glamlite. You should check them out. They're having a holiday sale, so you can get bundles of their palettes, or they have bundles for their palettes. So get a couple bundles. There is a code. The code was GLAM15 for 15% off, and I think that's for everybody. You can find that on the internet too, but yeah. So this is a palette. It's really, really cute. And then this is the look that I came up with, which was inspired by the Phoenix and Mulan. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And also thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and please share the video and come back for the next video.